Today we're going to look at the surface trim in this Solidworks tutorial. By the way, I'm going to include free Solidworks guide in the description of this video. Check out my Patreon. Anyway, let's get into it. So for the surface trim, I have this existing surface here. I'm making a car door surface. So for the window cutout, I have got this surface here. I've got this curve projected from this sketch here. That's on this curved surface. So I'm going to go to Insert, Surface, Trim. I'm going to keep this standard. The Trim tool, we're going to select that curve 4. You can see now that it's asking me to remove or keep selection. So if I want to keep this window surface, I can remove this. If I want to keep just the window, I can invert it and keep that. We'll toggle it back to remove. I'll select this. Select OK. And now you can see lines up perfectly with the window. That's how you trim surfaces. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe to the channel.